Morning, guys. Morning. Let's go. Let's get fired up, guys. Unfortunately, the market looks like crap this morning. We've just been ranging on our higher time frame, 50-minute. Not much change from yesterday's analysis, but we'll just take some quick shots at it. We've got a trend line here. It's going all the way back. So what do we, this look like? So it looks like we're inside of a channel, and we're above our support lines. The MACD's flat, that's important. So let's see what happens at 8:15. Let's see what our open range is gonna look like. Just based on the 2 minute, I could see us. Let's find our levels, find the gap, find the levels. Got one here. Let's not cheat. Okay, so we've got a bullish fair value gap. Price came back down, tested the midpoint of that gap, proceeded to move upwards, ran into the VWAP, right here, and now it looks like we're at a standstill. We're at a crossroad. We're between the VWAP, our support lines, the 50 MA, fair value gap, and a trend line. So guys, this is in trading, we would call this area multiple area of value. Right? We've got multiple areas of value. We've got the trend line 1, we've got the fair value gap 2, we've got the 50 MA 3, and we've got the 105 EMA. So that's 4. We're at prices sitting on 4 support levels. We're barely below the 20 MA. Right? So let's see if we've got news this morning. We've got news at 8:30. So that could cause some damage. Hopefully we get our break and take what's ours before we get to that time. But we'll see. So just looking on the 2 minute right now, let's do put our biases on the chart. If we're able to break below this trend line, I would want to see a break below this fair value gap, maybe a retest. We could see a move down. And to the upside, we want to get a break above VWAP, above our open range, and a move up. Pretty much the same scenario as yesterday. I don't know why the market keeps repeating itself. You know, the market just goes around in circles, guys. It's like a parallel universe. What you see on the 1 minute is what happens on every other time frame. You see a pattern on the daily, you can drill down to the 1 second and see the same pattern, which is just kind of weird. Like, what the heck is the market? Is the market the matrix? Just food for thought, guys. Food for thought. So we watch price. Let's take a look at our higher time frames. You can see yesterday we had the same. Our analysis was the same. Actually, these are some of the lines from yesterday. Let's start with our 4 hour. On our 4 hour chart, we're kind of still in that wedge position. We had a bullish fair value gap. We haven't inverted or broken that gap. So price, as you can see from inside the wedge, we've been going sideways. This is on the 4 hour. So we're still inside that fair value gap. So Again, just like yesterday, if we break above the gap, we could make a push to the upper gap, right? Over here, or put this on, or if we break below this, if we invert the gap, which we would maybe close below the 20 MA as well, we could see us moving down. So not much has changed since yesterday on the 4 hour. Right, so we'll watch that. We go to our 1 minute, our 1 hour. Same scenario, you know, find the gaps, find the levels. We're at a fair value gap right in here. It's also a key level. See, we rejected here, we broke through, we retest, rejected, broke through, and we came back. And so we're still in that fair value gap. So our analysis is the same as yesterday. If we're able to break above, we get a trend line here. If we're able to break above that trend line and that level, we could see a move to the upside. And on the flip side, if we break below, we could push down. We could actually, let's call this a downward channel. Right, so we get rejected here at the trend line, we could push down into this channel. Right, continue to move down. That's our 1 hour. We'll watch out for that. And then our 15 minute. Not much going on the 15 minute. We're at a standstill between levels. Got a fair value gap that was formed yesterday, bearish. We retested, it held, and we moved down into another level, and we bounce. And so we're kind of, I feel like price. Okay, let's take a look at this. Got a, is that a bullet? No, it's too tight. Thought that was a bullish gap, but it's too tight. Yeah, so 50 minute looks like it wants to go back up to retest this level right here. 50 minute looks like we want to make a move up. And let me flip back to our 2 minute as I say that. See, our 2 minute is making a push above VWAP. Let's get ready to see if this is gonna hold. This is a strong move. We don't have news, so I don't know what's this. What's going on here? Gonna jump in. That's gonna be our break. Stop below. I think price wants to go to this upper channel. This move kind of just played out of nowhere. Let's see, that's a strong boner candle above the upper range and above the VWAP. Nice rejection of those support lines we were talking about earlier. This area where we have multiple areas of value. Fair value gap, 50 MA, 105 EMA. We get the bounce. Do we get the retest? we get the retest? Guys, my entry on these open range break is always one tick above the high. The highs are the lows. Okay, so we close back down. Let's pull this off because it looks like we're going back into the range. Actually had a wedge break there. She goes back into the range. Back into the range. It ain't safe out there. Let's go back home. We get a break there, but as you see, we rejected at our VWAP, so Let's get something stronger closing above VWAP. And potentially above the lines right here. What she gonna do? What she gonna do? When the news come for you. 8:26, we got news at 8:30. What's gonna happen at news? It's really a toss-up. It's really a toss-up. I feel like we're gonna break. That bullish play is gonna play out. I feel like we go for the upper channel at news. We've got a lot of support down here. A lot of support. We've got our trend line. We've got the 20 MA behind us. We've got the 50 MA. We've got the 105 MA. So the only thing holding us down right now is that VWAP. Guys, VWAP, let me tell you, don't sleep on VWAP. Put it on your charts, guys. So VWAP is the sweeper right now. In soccer. That's that last defender between you and the goalie. We break through VWAP. We've got news in 2 minutes. We break through VWAP. I could take my chances on a buy. $8.29. Unfortunately, these news candles, they don't give you a lot of chance to get in. You really just got to set your entry, which I don't like to. Ideally, I want to get a close. But you know, these news candles, they're for the most part boner candles. They just go. See, we're starting to look at that. Supercell detected. Ah, look at that. Look at that. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Straight to that upper channel. You don't get a chance. You just gotta put your entry. But I can't trade like that. And I usually don't trade the news. But this is the open range break. And that's a massive break. Look at that high. Jeez. Right? Straight to that upper channel. As we predicted it might go. Alright. What can you do? What can you do? when the news come for you. It is what it is, guys. We got to let these ones go because we got to trade based on rules. We need a close above VWAP to get in. But a buy stop with our stop below this level would have caught that. Stop below this fair value gap, multiple areas of value. We've got the trend line, the fair value gap, and all these support lines. Gonna let this one go. I think we're gonna fill in. We see our 15-minute chart. Let's take a closer look at that. So we're filling in that fair value gap that we discussed. Looks like the market is trying to invert that. If we invert that, we'll keep going. On our 1 hour, we talk about the idea of breaking out of this downward channel and retesting this bearish fair value gap and moving to the bigger gap. Is this the play for today? That thing is still climbing. Is this the play for today? We break out, we retest, and we go for this bigger gap that's been sitting here. Right? However, when was this? It's been since February the 3rd. Right? So over a week, that gap's been sitting. So I think the market's trying to make a move to go back up in here. That's our 1 hour. And again, we see it on our 4 hours. Right? We're making a push out of that level, potentially to go to the upper fair value gap. Look at that. I'm sorry, guys. You know, sometimes these kind of moves, when they leave you sitting, you can't help but have a little FOMO, man. You can't help but have a little FOMO. We've got a gap right here. So what's the play after this? If she ever comes back, retest this, continue up, I don't see us going down. It's bullish from today, guys. It's bullish from this morning. Forget about bearish. It's an upward game from now on. And unfortunately, we're no longer playing the 8 a.m. orb. Our orb play got... Our breakout boiled down to, with news, boiled down to just a guesswork, guys. Even with our analysis and seeing that we were building a cluster in here. We were building a cluster and just building up that momentum. We had space. We had real estate for the upper move. We just couldn't take a buy without confirmation. And for me, confirmation is closing above VWAP. But look, we did close above VWAP, but look, that's way outside of the channel. So we'll just keep playing the price action. We're not looking for an open range break. We're just gonna trade the price action. Come on down. Come on down. Getting a nice bear flag setting up. I don't know, I feel like I need price to just come back and recenter back in here before I can get into a buy. Do we come back down to this upper channel and bounce? These gaps, we don't have to come back to these gaps right away, guys, you know. The market sometimes take a day off or two or a week. It's ideal for them to come back, but sometimes the market just takes off and go. And go. With or without you. It goes with or without you, guys. I feel like if we bounce off this upper channel line, I might jump in for one contract play. Maybe a scalp. What's a one contract scalp gonna do? I'm just not sure if we're gonna come all the way back. late. Too late. I don't know what's wrong with the trigger. What's wrong with the trigger this morning? See if we can squeeze something off the top, guys. Let's see if we can get something off the top. This is definitely buying at the top, which is against the rules. Buy low, sell high. Not buy high, sell low. But there's a ton of momentum right now. This is what you call a FOMO trade. FOMO is real, guys. Just want a little piece. We just want a little slice. We're not asking for much. We just want a little slice of the but I'm gonna learn, as we all do, that you don't FOMO into trades. $8.52 coming up on 9. We've got the open around the corner. Got news at 10. I think today's gonna be a bullish day. We're gonna continue this move up into those upper levels, fair value gaps that we saw on the higher time frame. So I don't know, when do you really get in? When do you get on board? You got to take a chance somewhere. I'm taking a chance here. Because I don't feel like this market is going back to those lower levels. Not without news. Not without news. Come on. Come on. A little more room and I'll cover. Look at that. I just want my little piece of the pie. Just keep going. That's all. That's all. Can I get it? Might have to come down just a little bit. Can I get it? Just trying to get a little piece for me. Actually, I should trail and move this out and just trail this tightly. So we trail. I'm opting to trail instead of push my target out and follow price. Less is secured, but I have an opportunity to get more. So let's do that. Let's do that. Let's trail. Let's do that. Trail tighter. And when she gets stopped out, we get stopped out. When we go, we go. That's right. When we go, we go. Let's keep on pushing and we go here. Go in there. give it a little room. Just trying to get my slice of the pie. That's it for me. Is that it for me? I think I got to my take profit level. Is that it for me? Come on. Turn the page. Turn the page, baby. Turn the page. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Come on, baby. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. We missed out on our open range break because of news. Huge candle. We had no chance. We waited for an opportunity to get back in, to get in. We saw price pull back to the upper channel, and we created a bear flag. We broke that bear flag, and I was late to get in there, and I kind of FOMO'd in just because of the momentum and basically what I'm seeing on the higher time frame. I felt like price was gonna keep pushing, so I FOMO'd in. I bought high, which you're not supposed to do, but I bought high and I got something out. I got something for my efforts this morning. Will she keep going? Come on, you got one more push in you. I know it. I believe in you.
Super buy detected.
Oh, there it is.
Stop filled.
Stop out, guys. I think we got stopped out at our take profit. So that's not a bad thing. So that's our play for today. Guys, we our 8 a.m. ORB play didn't quite happen as we wanted to. News came and just kind of blew up that play. Our analysis kind of showed that the market was bullish. I just didn't want to take the chance and drop a buy stop on the charts without confirmation. So the play left us, and we got the break of all break, a massive news candle. We had a pullback to our upper channel, and price continued. We missed that entry, and pretty much FOMO'd in at the top. Fingers crossed, FOMO'd in. And based on our analysis, we saw strong momentum on the higher time frame. So we got in and we got something out of the market. So that's it for today, guys. We'll catch you on another one. Good luck trading, fellas. All right. See ya.